Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have another bike to unbox and to show you how fast it will go and some more details about this bike. The box is one of the biggest I got, and also the bicycle actually one of the powerful 1000 watt continuous power. I'll do unboxing. It's very affordable price. I'll post link in description. Please check the link in description. There might be some special codes so you can have some extra savings. If you're interested, the same way you will support my channel. If you're checking the link and buying from the link, you always support my channel. Thank you guys for watching. So let's open up and see how it's inside. Alright, this bike, it's a white color, looks good. Alright, so let me show you what is in the box. The pedals, some multi-tools, and it comes with special thread locker, so it's probably for some parts, so it will not unlock. The manual and the big charger. Okay, so the first you will install the wheel. So the brake discs should be on the side where the brake, on the left side. Okay, so before you put it in, so I remove the bolt and the washer from both sides. You hold this fork with one hand, step on this plastic with the feet and pull it up like this. You just insert the wheel in, make sure the brake disc going between the pad. You take this hook washer, insert it this way, okay, and put locking nuts over here, and you do the same thing on both sides. Now I will install the handlebar over here, which should be very easy. You would still need to remove these 4 bolts. So that's how it's gonna look. Then you take your handlebar and insert it, okay, and you just attach this way. Everything else you will tighten up later, so I'll just attach the handlebar first, and you don't need to tighten it very well, just a little bit, because you might want to do some adjustment. So for now, I'll just tighten these 4 bolts. Next step would be headlight right here. I will also attach the fender. It comes with both fenders, full-size fenders, so you will not get any mud. And before you're doing this, you would need to remove this bolt over here. Moving in this way and attaching the fender. It's very simple, and just use the same nut you removed to tighten up. Everything I do by hand right now because I've already tightened everything. Okay, as you can see, it's almost attached now, because you would still need to do a few more things. You would need to remove this bolt now. So from both sides you remove it, because you would need to attach your fender this way. The same thing on this side. You would remove the small bolt and reattach it right away. It's very simple. And now I'm gonna attach the pedals. The pedals come with small letters over here, L, WL, and then WR. So you just use left for the left side, right for the right side. So this one will be right side, so I'll use this one. And looks like everything already assembled. I just need to remove all the stuff. Also, don't forget to put some air in your tires, and recommended PSI it's 5 to 15 based on your weight and terrain you're gonna ride. Alright, so the bike is ready. I assemble. It was pretty simple, but don't forget to charge the battery before you ride for the first time. Fully charge it, and you can always check your battery over here. This button, you can press on it and you will see how many percentage it's charged, which is great. I want to show you few things you might need to know before riding this bicycle. So in order to start this bicycle, you would need to press this M button. It's already started. Your monitor will be on, and to turn on light and off, you just press the upper button over here and it will turn on light. You will see over here on the side light on, and to turn it off you just keep the same button, the top one. And these are also, if you press and hold the button on the bottom over here, it will go to walking mode. It's about 4 to 3 miles, but it's not for walking, it's just to help you. Like steep hill, you just press and it will help you to move your bicycle. Also it comes with a bell, which is really nice. Metal bell, but it's really nice. It's a metal one. And this button, actually red one, it's if you press on it once, it will disable throttle for safety, because it's very powerful and some people accidentally turn this throttle on and the bike can go crazy. So actually it's for safety. To change kilometers to miles or miles to kilometers, you hold these two up and down together, press on it, and it will change to blinking and you'll see P01. What you do next, you will press M until you see 02, and then you can change by pressing down to 0, it will be kilometers, up it will be 1, it's miles. You can also change the speed to make sure your speed up to the limits. So let me show you. The speed is number 8 over here. It should be 100. In this display 100 means no limits, and it says kilometers, but it's automatically will change to miles if you change to miles first, otherwise it will be counts as kilometers anyways. So basically it's only for pedal assist limits speed. The throttle stay unlimited regardless if you change it or not. Okay, let's go for a ride now. And now let's go see how the brakes works. So I'll go up to probably 28 miles and then I'll brake. It's a real, so I'll brake with both. It's not bad. It's not bad. Very quiet actually braking for this type of brakes. So I'll do one more time. So basically the front brake it's on the right, the rear brake on the left, and sometimes it's getting confusing when you have too many bicycles. The other one I have opposite way. Okay, so let's go for more ride and see how the bicycle performs. And riding Senada Herald, it's almost riding as motorcycle because you have full throttle and it can go really fast. You'll see later in the video how fast it can go. You will be really excited about it. As a price wise, it's very good buy, and the motor is not as loud. As you can see, the shifting going very well without any adjustment right out of the box, and it's shifting 1 to 7 with no problem. As front suspension works pretty well. You'll see on this video how I try to check the suspension by using the front brake. As you can see, it's moved up and down, so it works pretty responsive, and I think it's pretty good suspension for riding this bicycle. I didn't have any problems so far. It's a great bicycle due to the fact that this bicycle with the fat tires and nice suspension. You feel very comfortable and very smooth ride. and I think there should be no problem to ride this bicycle for longer distance, and I will take it for the test more later in some other videos. But for today we'll do some speed tests as well, and as you can see, it does have a nice headlight and the suspension works really well. Alright, so now I'll do one more test to see how fast it will go again. Looks like it's going actually faster than the fastest one. Based on the GPS, it went up to 28 miles, so it's about 31 minutes like. So it's 24 right now. 26, 27, 28 and a half, 29, 26. Wow, 29 and 6. Actually, it's very fast. Wow, it's actually impressive. Went up to 29 and a half on this speedometer. Okay, now let's see how fast it can go on Throttle only on the grass. So it's 15, 17, 18, 19, almost 20. And as we already know, the display showing me a little bit less, which is very impressive for this type of heavy bike to go that fast. So the motor is very strong. Alright guys, so I want to give you my first impression after riding a little bit on this bicycle. I noticed the bicycle is very powerful, and of course it's very fast. As you could see, it can go easily 28 miles on display, but I think it's going up to 31 miles based on the actually more 33, probably 32, 33 based on the GPS. So it's a much faster bicycle. It has a very big battery. It's 720 volt hours battery. It comes with a big motor, 1000 watt motor, continuous power, up to 1600 watt peak power, and it also comes with a nice rear rack. Also it comes with a tail light, and tail light actually turn on over here on the side. It's not like integrated, it's just battery inside. It does comes with a light, headlight, which is integrated. So far looks good. The brakes is good. It's only 160 millimeters brakes, which is kind of smaller for this type of powerful bike. Usually this type of bicycle comes with 180 millimeters, but I guess it's not that bad. 160 works as long as you can brake. It brakes pretty well, I guess. And I'm gonna take it for a ride in the mountains and see actually how it works. It does comes with an adjustable fork where you can lock it in over here. Simply twisting, it will lock your fork so it will not move. And it's a step-through bicycle frame and can load up to 330 pounds, I believe. I'll put all the information in description below, and I will post some special code for this bicycle from Senada. Okay, and I believe they have special right now about $80 off on this bicycle, and it's 26x4. Please check this description. Comfortable seat. The handlebar is not as wide as most of the bicycle comes in this type of category, but it's pretty good. But we'll check more when I take it off-road and see how it will climb the hills. And that's about it. Very powerful bike. Not for everyone, I think, because you need to get used to and adjust the sensors level in controller by going to display programming and do it. I'll post in description more information most likely. I will need to adjust it because for me, when some experienced rider kind of might be too fast on the level 1 and level 2. Also, it's have a different sensibility. So basically, when you start to pedal, it's kind of give you too much power, and if you're not experienced, you can fall. And I like it much softer as previous model. Like I tested the Drifter, have much softer so the drifter would be probably better for beginners as well. This one is very powerful. If you're looking for powerful bike, this is the one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.